Now we're going to discuss exclusions or ejection calls. You will hear multiple whistles by the referee. The ref will then point to the player and motion them out. Exclusion foul is caused by holding, sinking, or pulling back a player who is not holding the ball. One of the most common ways you can draw an exclusion is from inside water. Inside water is when the offensive player, shown here in the white cap, is closer to the goal than the defensive player. This is offensive advantage. If the defense grabs or pulls in any way when the offensive player is not holding the ball, that's going to be an immediate ejection. In this clip, the ball moves from point to the wing. He turns it for inside water and lets go of the ball in order to draw the ejection. In this next clip, the ball moves from 4 to the post, who has inside water. The defense then pulls him back while the offensive player is not holding the ball. That's going to be an ejection. You'll see the ball start at 3 and move around to the 5 or the right wing. Before the ball is entered, there is an exclusion in 2 meters. And the 2-meter defender in the blue cap must exit the game for 20 seconds. The white team is now a man up, just like a power play in hockey.
Following a kickout, the offense sets up in this manner because it's one of the best ways to exploit the fact that the defense is missing a player. It's called a 4-2 setup because there are 4 players along the 2-meter line and 2 players up top. One defender will be responsible for guarding the 1 and 2, another between the 2 and 3, the third between the 3 and 6, the fourth between the 3 and 5, and the fifth between the 2 and 4. Here's an example of how the defense might play. To start play here, the 6 passes to the 5. You'll notice that the 2 defenders move up. The 5 then passes to the 1. Notice how both this defender moved across here, these 2 defenders moved back in, and the goalie moved across. Now he passes to the 4. The 2 defenders both move out here. The 4 passes to the 6. The goalie moves across the cage. The 2 defenders move back in. This defender will likely move out. But here, a quick pass came from the 6 up to the 4, and he's able to shoot it before the goalie is able to move across. The best option on the 6-on-5 is to catch the goalie moving across the cage. For example, if a pass comes from the 6 to the 4 and the 4 can shoot it quickly, the goalie doesn't have a chance to get over. This is also true on a 6-to-1 pass or a 5-to-1 pass, or even from the 6 to the 3 or the 2. A quick pass and a tip-in from the 2 or the 3 can catch the goalie off guard. They can also pass to each other, although that's not a very effective pass.